Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is a student Achuth. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Yes, sir. My name is Achuth. I'm from Chintamani, Karnataka. I have completed my graduation in ISE in Information Science from INDE from MBJ College of Engineering. I took Python full stack in PySpiders, where I have undergone Python, SQL, and web technologies. Python was handled by Keshav sir. He helped me to grow my personal skills as well as professional skills. And then SQL was trained by Murli sir, and web technology was trained by Govindan sir. Aptitude class was trained by Selva sir. During in the time of institute, I used to go to boot camp, and I used to present the topics which I have learned in the campus.
How mock interviews were helpful?
So the trailers were used to questions related to the companies, and those questions were very useful by the attending the interviews.
Okay. I wish him all the best for that career.
Thank you.